What up, guys? So, am I the only one that eats while watching something interesting? Well, if I'm not the only one, then grab a bag of chips or chicken or something and come along with me in this video. So, it's your girl, the Cooking Angel, here again, and today I'm gonna be taking you on a journey because we're about to cook something amazing. So, I'm gonna be making a spicy honey garlic chicken wings. So guys, in today's video we have a spicy honey garlic chicken wings. This is not really a recipe that I thought originated from one particular country or anything. I just found something online. I thought that it was interesting. So anyways, the spiciness of this chicken is coming from atarudo, but not the normal atarudo, the red one that we see everywhere. It's actually the green one. Those ones are, I don't know what to call them, but they give this vibrant color, which I actually love. So if you're gonna make this recipe, you can actually use either of them, but I love the green one better. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me as we prepare this amazing chicken. So sit back and enjoy. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing is cutting our chicken. So what you're going to do is cut the line. I'm cutting now because one chicken wing can cut into 3 different pieces and then do that. So I'm just going to cut another chicken in your presence so that, you know, you guys can sort of memorize it or something. Then the next thing we're going to be doing is seasoning the chicken, adding garlic, ginger and garlic powder, salt and paprika. Please don't forget to check the description box for the ingredients and its measurement. So you're going to just go in with your hands and, you know, rub all that good stuff together. So the next thing we're going to be doing is making our batter because we're going to be coating these chicken wings. I used actually 1 full cup of flour, so forget all my shenanigans here. Then I added 1 egg, and also I'm gonna add some seasoning to the batter too, because I mean, you might ask why, because I already added seasoning to the chicken. I mean, who wants to be biting batter and then it's very plain and not nice? So obviously you have to add some spice and some, you know, savouriness. So I added salt, garlic and paprika powder. So add water to it and make sure you're getting a very, not runny, but runny thicky consistency sort of. But I'll put the measurements for the water in the description box though. So guys, I had to add more water because the first one I did was not enough, but at the end of the day it all came together one way or the other. Restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it.
A few moments later.
So guys, now we're done with mixing our batter and it's time for us to just dip our chicken inside. So we're just going to put all the chicken that we already, you know, coated in seasoning into the batter, and then we're just going to mix all that together using your hands again. Yeah, so mix all that together and make sure every part of the chicken has, you know, that batter. Yeah, and then we're going to be frying it, so make sure you drain all the batter before putting it inside the fry pan, and make sure that you're not crowding your pan. Guys, please ignore the crowd in this pan. It's because the fry pan is so extremely small. But yeah, so make sure you don't crowd your pan, and then you're going to fry for 5 minutes on each side, and then flip, you know, to the other side for another 5 minutes, and make sure you fry it till golden brown like this. Yeah, so take it out now, and then we're going to be making our coating. Yeah, so we're gonna need butter and then add garlic. I mean, it's a garlic lemon honey pasta, sorry. So mix all the garlic with that, and then make sure that the garlic aroma is there before putting in this mixture. So this mixture, I couldn't find the clips that I used to, you know, make this particular mixture. So it's basically atarodo, the green one, honey and lemon. I'll put the ingredients and measurement in the description box. Check it out. So make sure this boils, and then as it's boiling, it will start to get thick to any consistency. Like as you can see, it's already getting thick, and that's because of the honey. So make sure it has to get thick before adding in your chicken like this. So add your chicken, and flip your chicken, and make sure that every part of this chicken has that sticky gooey texture, and dig into every part of the chicken please. And then when you're done, you can now just take it out, and then if you have more batch of chicken, just add it in. All right, babies, so we've come to the end of this video. Yeah, and did you like it? If you did, hit that like button. Hit it, because that's what tells YouTube that y'all like me and y'all love my content, and it keeps pushing out to other people so that they can subscribe and so that our family will grow. Don't you guys want our family to grow? Well, I do. I don't know about y'all. Well, anyway, so if you really do love the video, please like it. And then if you're new here, welcome to the family. And yeah, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this content with your guys. Anybody you would love to see this, and if you like your partner to make this for you, just share it to him. Keep sharing it every time, then you will know that something is up. Then he'll probably make it for you. Anyways, guys, so that'll be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected.